Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to build a shelf, corner of your deck. You don't really use this space anyway. You can put a plant down here, you can put a plant up here, you can use it as a table for your grill, whatever. It also helps stiffen up your deck quite a bit. I'm going to show you how to quickly make these. Simple, easy. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deck shelf. So most of the time you have a corner of a deck right here like this, okay? The one I'm going to build today does not have that. It actually only has one wall. I'll show you what it looks like. So my deck ends right here. The old deck, luckily, I don't have to worry about cutting into the siding because the old deck actually had some ledger boards here. So what I did is I just put a green treated board right here, and I'm going to build my shelf out like this. Okay, I just have some green treated 2x3s. It's thinner. You could use actually 2x2s as well. I like it a little bit thicker, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a 45 here. Now that I have a 45 here, I'm going to measure approximately 3 inches. My first one's going to be looking something like that. So it helps to have a sliding compound miter saw, but you don't have to have one. You can have a miter box too. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Like that. Right there. Okay, so that's going to be my first piece. First part of the shelf. It's going to lay in like that. Boop. So I'm going to start some holes here. I'm not going to drill pocket holes or anything like that. I'm just going to start it. Turn it at about 45. Go ahead and start it. Boom. Turn it about 45. I like to put it low here so that when a plant slides in or whatever, it's like a little stop, so you can't just slide it right off the top. Obviously this wall's in the way, but it's gonna match. I want it to match all the rest of them. So I'm just going to start this. Okay, ready to do my next one. Okay, so I want to leave a little space. I want to leave a space like you do regular decking boards so that if water gets here, the water goes through. So I want to find out what this is. This is roughly 7 3/4. So what I want to do is add 2 inches. So I want 9 3/4. And the 9 3/4 is going to be this inside here on this new board. Like I said, it's very rough measurement, 9 3/4. Boom. So this is 9 3/4, inside part. That's my second one. Right like that. Leaves a nice healthy area for the water to get out. Bada boom, bada bing. Go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing. So 45, 45, put it in, done. Okay, so once again, we're going to add 2 inches. So this is about 14 and a half. So 16 and a half is where we ought to be for the next one. 16 and a half. But remember, 16 and a half is the inside part of this next board. When I start to build out far enough, I like to kind of level it. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. This is a great idea. I could put a plant here. I could put, it's like a table. It stiffens up my deck. Does all kinds of good stuff. So, there you go.